What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there on this Monday? Woo! I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click my notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Guys, woo, this is exciting times. I need you to go to the link in the description right now, www.thecopypastemethod.com, because the time is now. Guess what? We've been talking about the new launch, the new products, right? Tomorrow is your last day, right? You need to get in now, okay? This is not hype. This is facts. I just don't want you guys to miss out on this opportunity, especially for a measly $29, right? Go to the www.thecopypastemethod.com so that you can earn 100% commissions, so you can unlock your digital marketing potential with these new products, right? This new program, and you're going to be able to get 3 additional income streams, right? You're already with IPS with me, right? If you're with me in IPS, or if you're in the community already, it's only exclusive to our community members. So in order to be a member, you need to purchase one of those 4 IPS products. I would say the Elite, the 150, because you have to upgrade if you purchase the 50. So the Elite, 150, $300 or $600 product, IPS. Go to that link in the description. Once you purchase, right, one of those products, I will add you in the community, and tomorrow all the community members are going to have access to these new products. Okay? Here's the new products. Get excited. $100 product, the Launchpad Kit, $100. The Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, $300. Digital Mastery, $600. We're going to get this basically for free. The $29 is just for your website. Okay? That's it. So 3 additional income streams. So for those of us that's all in already, okay, the premium with IPS, we're going to be able to promote and sell all 3 of these because we're at those equivalent levels. Okay, but if you just get in, guys, you're going to have access to these. Spend $29. Tomorrow we will have access to these, and we can start promoting this on Wednesday. So get excited about this. Learn the tricks of the trade. These are brand new products, fresh, something new, something that's working right now. Okay, not rehashed, from scratch. Okay, this is going to be explosive. Okay, so you're going to be able to resell these products, join a thriving community, and receive live mentoring for a comprehensive learning experience. $29. This is your last chance. That's what I'm trying to tell you now. Get in today. As soon as I get my payment, as soon as you sign up, I'm going to send you an email, confirm you into the membership area for the digital products. I'm going to show you those in a second. You got to select from those. Then I'm going to send you an email with that link, and then a second link in that same email to get into the community so that you can get access to this for $29. That's all we're going to spend is $29. This is $1,000 value. $600 plus $300 plus $100 is $1,000. Okay, you're going to get access to these for $29. I can't say it enough. All right, so this is a friendly reminder. That's why I'm here to do this video. So if you want this exclusive, sign up today, right now. Let me show you the products that you have to select from to get in the community so that you can have access to these for $29. All right, let's go. Okay, so you have to purchase the IPS products in order to get in the community so that I can add you in. So here's your Elite. Okay, This is the least amount, right? So it'll be $189, right? $150 plus $39, $189. Your Pro, $339. Your website, that's what that $39 is for. The website, one time. I mean, get in where you fit in. You just have to upgrade. All right, so let's start over. 50 plus 39 is 89. Elite, 150 plus 39 for your website. One-time fee, no monthly fees, 189. The Pro 6-figure blueprint is 339. If you want to go all in like I did, premium is 659. You get all 4 of these products, right? Then you get access over in the community so that you can purchase. So not even purchase. You pay $29 for the website and you get access to those 3 new products. Okay? $1,000 value. Telling you this is going to be awesome. All right? So all you need to do is select from one of these. Get in, get in, get in. Okay? So let's see where we are with the community that you're going to be a part of. It's growing like crazy. Hang on a second. 11. Oh my gosh, it's already from yesterday when I did a video. So it's 11,900 paid members in this community. Shout out to the Digital Growth Community. Guys, you got to be a part of this. You got to be a part of it. I'm telling you, this is going to blow the socks off of the digital marketing space. Okay? So if you want to be a part of this and get access, you can see right here, she gave us a sneak peek of the new program. I'm telling you, it's smoking. So come over here, go to the copy paste method, pick your product. Okay, you decide. All right, I'll get an email notification. I'll add you to the group, and then you can get these products, because tomorrow we will be purchasing. The community will have access to purchase these for $29. Wednesday, there will be a meeting, a webinar community for the community, the people that's already in the community I just showed you. Wednesday for us to go over it and make sure everybody is good to go and set up. Then on Thursday, the launch will be official to the world. Okay? And at that point, you won't be able to get them for $29. They'll be the regular price, $100, $300, or $600. Okay? Instead of getting them for $29. All right? So let's look at that once again. Okay? Here you are. Okay, these 3 you're going to get for $29 if you purchase one of these I just showed you here. All right, guys, let's go. All right, let's get them. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. My info is in the description. I will also put a link to our last webinar on Friday that explains all of this from A to Z as well. If you want to check that out, do so. But take action, guys. Take action, because this is going to explode. All right. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Guys, that's 4 income streams right here. Real quick, I got thrown off. That's 4 plus the 3 I just showed you. That's 7. 7 income streams. Okay? Woo! Be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.